Kasorkar Jilla Hakar Pasantering Mantaupanai Kalaploing review meeting Halor Mega Health Insurance Scheme Laniki MHIS Ubail Hek Mentri Katana Kokia Ulaytu Bakanchimpor Sakumba Ars Nye Bakasorkar kan la Banshemi Karai Halor Kumno Banle Nakabanta Kijing E Bakibriu Yakandu Nakadao Kijingram Palar Kijing Sumar Haki Hospital Shimet Laniki Private Hospital.
Within 2 days, they will try to work out for the decisions on how we can address the issue which is the people are facing in the private hospital.
Okay. So like the KJTP has recently written a letter saying that there should be a special scheme for those people who are COVID infected and diseased.
That's why we are sitting today and we are working out this one. In 2 days, we'll find out some solution on this.
Nakaliang katanar kabadai pe yake MHIS kalapante baharo menta ki dan praspa andre punre ngur ki brio ki besha sumar haki private hospital laniki hospital shimet but 1,000 kandai taliki case balates.
In private hospitals, we've had 866 cases of COVID-19 treatment, and for COVID-19 tests, we've had 4,099 cases. This is only in private hospitals.
So the amount spent on
the total amount initiated for COVID-19 treatment is 2.11 crores, and the total amount initiated for COVID-19 tests is 739.5 lakhs.